Hi there. Thinking about upgrading your CAD software but not sure if it's worth the investment? Let's break it down. When it comes to design tools, time really is money. Upgrading to advanced software like SOLIDWORKS can streamline your workflow, reduce costly errors, and help you complete more projects faster. That's why programs like DDTM by Mimos exist, to support SMEs with the right digital tools to stay competitive globally. It also aligns with the 12th Malaysia Plan, which emphasizes digital transformation as a key driver of economic growth. Therefore, it's important to choose the solution that best fits your business needs, whether that's an on-premise tool like SolidWorks or a flexible, cloud-based option like 3D Experience. You can choose on-premise like SolidWorks, great for long-term use, lower renewal costs, and everything stored on your local machine. Perfect if you want full control and advanced features like piping tools and simulation. Or choose cloud-based, like 3D Experience. Flexible, pay-as-you-go, and accessible anywhere. Ideal for short-term projects or remote work. You only pay for what you use, just like a software buffet. If you need deep design tools and total control, go on-premise. If you value flexibility and mobility, cloud might be your best bet. And if you're not sure, we can help you figure out what fits your workflow best, even assist with grants and setup. Still have questions? Drop a comment or reach out. Our team's ready to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might need it. See you in the next video.